The Rubik Stick Welder Arc MMA 225Amp is an incredibly versatile welding machine, offering both automatic and manual current adjustments to suit any project, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. Equipped with smart IGBT control, this welder ensures immediate arc starting, reduced spatter, and smooth welding seams, making it efficient and reliable for all-day use. This welder is perfect for do-it-yourself enthusiasts as it comes with essential accessories like a brush, helmet, and cable, enabling you to tackle a variety of home projects with ease. Its compact and lightweight design makes the Rubik Stick Welder highly portable, allowing you to carry it to different work locations effortlessly. With a user-friendly interface, this welder is an excellent choice for beginners looking to practice their skills and undertake small home repairs. The Rubik Stick Welder offers great efficiency and power, with an output current range of 20 to 225 amperes, suitable for various electrode diameters.